Think you know fixed wireless internet? A lot of people still believe it's slow, unreliable, or only meant for rural areas. But today's fixed wireless access, powered by 5G, is a completely different technology than it was just a few years ago. Let's clear up the top 5 misconceptions about it. Myth 1. Fixed wireless is slower than fiber. Thanks to 5G and advanced LTE, modern business FWA often delivers comparable speeds and latency to wired broadband. For most business applications, like payments, voice over IP, video conferencing, or cloud access, it performs just as well as fiber. And the best part? You can deploy it in hours, not weeks. Myth 2. It's only good as backup. That used to be true, but not anymore. Today, many companies use FWA as their primary connection, especially in locations where wired internet isn't available or too expensive to install. It's also a great failover option, giving you redundancy when your main line goes down, so operations never stop. Myth 3. Fixed wireless is just a mobile hotspot. Consumer hotspots run on shared networks and often get throttled after hitting data caps. Business fixed wireless runs on dedicated enterprise policies, meaning unthrottled performance, higher network priority, and consistent speeds even during congestion. It's designed for business, not casual use. Myth 4. It's unreliable. Today's 5G FWA operates on licensed cellular spectrum, with quality of service controls, advanced antennas, and carrier redundancy. That means stable performance, even in demanding environments like warehouses or hospitals where downtime isn't an option. Myth 5. It's only for rural areas. In reality, fixed wireless access powers everything from urban retail stores to enterprise campuses, construction sites, and healthcare facilities. If you have power, you can have reliable, high-speed business internet. Fixed wireless access has evolved. It's fast, scalable, and ready for the modern enterprise. If you're still relying on outdated assumptions, it might be time to take another look. Learn more about unthrottled business fixed wireless plans on our site. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.